Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back. Okay, so today's unit is actually a unit I did on, I believe, Sunday. So this is the same exact unit. I know you guys can't really tell. You thought it was a whole brand new unit, but guess what, sis? That's the tea, that's the gag. This unit is very, very versatile. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this look with that same unit. Also, I'm going to do a straightening test, and I'm gonna spray water back on it so you guys can see if this unit will, you know, revert back to its original state. If you guys are not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, I want to shout out these people right here. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for having your notifications on. So yeah, if you guys want to be a part of the notification squad, don't forget to make sure your notifications is on, and also comment that they are on. And you know, if you want to comment something else, you can. I'm just gonna, you know, that's just pretty much it. Okay, enough of my rambling. We're gonna get into this video. Alright guys, so like I said, off camera I went in and laid down my unit. I already did a video on this, so I didn't include that in here, but we're gonna go ahead and take a test patch. Does that make sense? We're gonna go ahead and straighten a piece of it, and then we're gonna see if it waves back up. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this piece, I'm gonna lightly spray it just a little bit, because I'm gonna spray my whole entire head when I get finished with the Biosilk. We just want to take a piece to see if it will get straight, and then we're just gonna throw some water on. I'm just doing this as a testing piece. So I mean, I low-key could have did it at the end once everything was dry. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's just a piece. It's not bone straight, but this is what it looks like. Little water bottle over here. Just go spray it. Uh-oh. You gotta be mindful too, once you put product on it, it's kind of gonna weigh it down. So that's why I just took a little teeny tiny section of it. So I am just scrunching it up, just adding water. So as you guys can see, it did curl back up, and it just looks a little way down because of course it has product on it, but you guys can see the curl pattern is coming back. So yeah, so let's get into this video. First I'm gonna blow dry this, okay, because I just made it wet. I don't even know what type of parting I'm doing. That would have made sense to have the parting in first. But I'm gonna go ahead and detangle this unit, and then we're gonna go ahead and blow dry it. And this is a lot of hair, so and I say a lot of hair, is really a lot. And I'm using my Biosilk Silk Therapy Thermal Shield spray. I love this spray. This spray makes your hair very, very soft and silky, and I low-key OD on it. So I am gonna section this off because we're not doing all of this at once. If I do all of this at once, sis, I'm gonna be freaking hot. So I'm just gonna take and divide this into two sections like this, so it'll be easier on myself. Now, I don't ever glue the backs of my wigs down, so if y'all always see them flying around in my videos, that is why. Okay, this is what the hair looks like blown out. I did get some shedding while I was doing the detangling process, or blowing it out rather say. And sis, this is a lot of hair. Like, this is a lot of work. So I didn't get it like super straight, but this will have to do. I already went ahead and, you know, tied up this side, but I'm gonna take it down so you guys can see what both sides looks like. This one I really got lazy on, because like, sis, that's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So this one doesn't look as straight as this one. I don't know, I mean, I really can't tell. But so I'm gonna go in with my Keratin Silk Infusion serum and just put this throughout the entire head. This makes your hair smell so freaking good. And the more hair you have, the more product I would suggest you to use, because you want to make sure all the hair is coated. And normally every time I put a product in, I always go through with my brush and just brush everything in, so you can make sure all the strands is getting some of that serum, some of that goodness, because this smells really good. All right, so I am going in with my wax stick just to lay everything down. I'll just put it on this side, so when I come over there, I'm just gonna come up a little bit so you guys can see. And with the wax stick, you do want to put it on the areas that you want to lay the flattest. And of course, it's the top of your head. So we're gonna take our, ow, I just touched the dang on comb. We're just gonna go right up on in here and just lay everything down. Alright y'all, so I'm actually deciding to put body waves in it because that's quicker for me. So I'm using this curling wand I got off of Amazon. And it's the best curling wand I've invested in. It is interchangeable. Any of these products that I show you guys, I've always purchased on my own. But yeah, I feel like loose body wave curls is gonna be the wave today. Like, I can fathom doing that, but doing anything else, no. Or I might just leave it as is, like the little curl. But I want it to be tighter, so I'm gonna do it this way and hold it a little bit longer. I don't know how that's gonna look, because this is a thicker texture of hair. Y'all might be having a flop for a video. Let me see what it looks like curled out, because I know it's gonna be thick. It might work. I know it's probably gonna be hecka thick, but it works. That is cute. Y'all can't tell me that's not cute. I know my exposure. I gotta fix my exposure. But I really feel like this is turning out mad cute. I thought it was gonna be ugly because of how thick the hair is. What's this? No, B. Alright, so we are almost finished with this look, and it's turning out super duper pretty. I really didn't think it was gonna come out like these. Like, look at the curls. They look soft. They don't look like dry. But it's, ow, I just burnt my finger. But it's looking super pretty. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really think it turns out very, very bomb. Nobody can tell me nothing right now. Period. Y'all know that is my favorite line, but I'm really excited. I was not expecting it to turn out this popping. Being that it was a whole different texture of hair, it looks like this could be the natural state of the hair, but it's not. I did run the clip where I showed you guys what the unit would look like if I straightened it and put water back on it. You can see that it's going to just really revert back to its natural state. So that is good that I'm able to do multiple styles, because I know all of us does not have the coins to be out here buying straight wigs, body wave wigs, and all this other jazz. You can do multiple styles with this unit. 3 different months, you know, you can keep reinstalling it. As you guys can see, this is the lace here. Everything is still intact. I didn't go in and bleach the knots at all. I just washed, conditioned, and that's pretty much it. I only put foundation on it like I did in the other video. Also, if you guys haven't seen the first video, I'm gonna leave that in the description section below so you guys can see all that good jazz. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick update on this unit, because I did experience some tangling when I did wash it, and also when I was detangling it. But it's nothing like, oh my gosh, I can't even run my hands through it. It's nothing like that. But like I said, being that it is a curly hair unit in general, is gonna have, you know, just a little bit more maintenance than just regular units. I can tell it doesn't have any problems with the hair taking heat. As you guys can see, being that it is a curly unit, the curls are gonna stay, so I'm not gonna have to worry about them dropping that much. The density on this unit is amazing. Okay, it's amazing. I really love this unit and love how versatile it is. But I think that's really it. Overall, I'm really in love with this unit, and it was just great working with this gorgeous unit. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the description section below. All information in regards to this unit will be listed down there as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought by giving me a like, a comment, or whatever. So yeah, until my next video, I'll see you guys in my next video.